This game is called March Mayhem. It's a PowerPoint basketball game. To play, the instructor will divide their class into teams or assign individuals to play the game. The instructor will have in their hand the vocabulary review test or topical questions that they wish to ask their students. Once the PowerPoint show has begun, you simply click on play. There are some instructions on the next slide that I'm walking you through right now. This is the basic gameplay screen here. What we're going to do is, if we would like to, this is optional, but if we would like to, we can at this point in time change the names of the teams so that we could make them some of our favorite college basketball teams, or we could make them some of our most famous professional teams here in America. Those are the ideas. You can change these to be whatever you would like them to be. Once you have named these or left them alone, either way, to play the game, the instructor will simply ask the students a question. If the student gets the question right, the instructor will click in the yellow square here to imitate shooting the ball. So when I click the square, the computer will then decide how many points that shot got. In this case, it was 2 points. So I go click on the back to score button, and now I will assign that team 2 points. I will ask the next team a question. If they get it right, we will simply click again. These are randomized so that you have the option of 2 points, a missed shot, which is what we have here when I clicked again, or we also have a 3-point shot in the mix. So it's 2, 3, or 0 points is what you can get. The instructor will continue to ask questions until they've run out. Once they've run out of questions, you can simply end the game, and you can then click the end game button in the lower left-hand corner of this main screen. And one thing I want to point out is that once you finish the game, and I'll just add in some more scores here to simulate once the game is ended. Once you have finished the game, you can, at that point in time, eliminate all of the scores and get the game ready to be played the next time. But you have to do this when you're actually playing the game, or in slideshow view mode, if you will. So I can come in here now and highlight all of these scores and teams and erase them or put them back to 0. You have to do this while you're in PowerPoint show mode. So for example, if I was to hit the escape key right now and just come to regular PowerPoint, which is edit mode, you'll notice I can't click inside of here to do that, and if I double click it, it takes me to actually a programming screen. So what you want to do is simply start the show by going up to slideshow menu and choosing from current slide in 2007, or if you're in 2000 and earlier than 2007, just the view menu and then slideshow. And so basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start this show again on this slide, and now I can clear out the remaining teams and get it all set for my next go round. Once you've cleared them off while you're in show view, then you're ready to go, or presentation mode if you will. Then you're ready to go for your next time, and you can just move on. To start the game in any version of PowerPoint before Office 2007, go to the slideshow menu and choose View Show. To begin a PowerPoint show using Office 2007, go to the Slideshow tab, click one time on the Slideshow tab, then choose From the Beginning. This game is designed for whole class participation. Participants are divided into teams or may work as individuals. For best results, use an LCD projector or TV to display the game to participants. Please note, if you are using a version of Microsoft Office prior to Office 2003, some of the features in these games may not function properly. It is advised that you use Microsoft's free PowerPoint viewer for actual game play. To download the free viewer, just do a web search for PowerPoint Player 2007.